Hi, I'm Tim McDermott from OSU Extension. We're here on the campus of The Ohio State University at Waterman Farm at our Turfgrass Research Center. We're going to be talking fall lawn care on Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
I'm here with my colleague, Brandon Stith. He is the turfgrass manager here at the center.
So as far as herbicides in the fall, you want to kind of wait depending on the product that you're using. But as the weather starts to break towards the end of August, going into September, into October, while the grass is still growing, that's the most important time that you do want to spray those herbicides.
What would be the best time in the fall in order to apply that fertilizer to make sure that it does the best job getting my grass where I need it to be?
The best time is to apply preferably when the grass is dry or sometime close to a rain event so that the product is watered in and the plant can take it up.
I've got a few bare spots in my lawn and I know that I can get grass seed down. How would I prepare that area?
So the best way to do it is to make sure you have good seed to soil contact, making sure that that seed is touching soil, not just sitting on the top of dead grass, and fertilizing the area and monitoring the water.
If you want to figure out how you can make your fall lawn look the best that it's ever been, take a look at go.osu.edu/extension today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.